Hello guys, I am going to show you how to unbox our electric bike. Let's start with cutting off the packing straps and take out the bike. Open all the boxes for accessories and tools. Unpack the wrapping foam carefully. Twist the front parts in the opposite direction. Tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Install bicycle handlebar. Tighten the screws and test it. Loosen the nuts at both ends of the front wheel. Clamp the front fork on the axle. And tighten the nuts. Use the same way to install back wheel. Put the saddle on the seat pipe. Adjust the appropriate height. And fix it with clip. Get 2 pedals for both sides. L is for left. R is for right. Tighten with a wrench. Install the reflectors on the front and rear wheel strips. Install tail and front lights. Try the display derailleur and lights. Detect the sensitivity of the brake. Left is for front, and right for rear. Test the suspension before the go.